from the opportunities area. Okay. And if they have our plugin, when the salespeople are in the opportunity and they go through certain things, they will reach this proposal price quote stage. That's normally what happens. When they are at this stage, they will want to add products to their opportunity. We sync their Staxbill catalog automatically into their Salesforce. They don't have to do anything. So when they go to add a product, they are presented in Salesforce with selection of a price book. Well, if they have our plugin, they can set what's happened here? Sorry, somebody broke my account. I'm sorry. There. Okay. They can the price books will show you, we will sync all of the price books across of every plan from their system. Oh my God, that's a terrible way to say that. It means in Staxbill, they have a catalog with all their plans. They will all appear here automatically. So when they go to add a product, it automatically shows them their Staxbill plans. They can now, as salespeople, pick and choose what they want to send. They, our accounts can leverage Salesforce's permission module to control whether or not the salespeople can modify pricing. Maybe they can, maybe they can't. They can do any of that kind of stuff from there. And when these products are added here, this is where the salespeople can automatically create quotes directly from within Salesforce. We don't need a quote module in Staxbill in this case, because the quotes are created and sent from Salesforce. Okay. And the result of that quoting activity and the DocuSign and all that stuff will result in a closed won opportunity. Okay. So everything that I've done so far there is a small connection back to us here to load in the products. But so far, everything's just been sort of using Salesforce out of the box. But now that they are ready and the salesperson like gets the signed contract back, all that the salesperson needs to do is press one button. And when they press it, it will ask them, do you want to leverage like contacts or not? That's a decision. Do you want this to auto activate? Do you want to assign any coupons? So when this is all done, they just hit create and we take it out of the salespeople's hands. This is the part that converts the quote to cash. Okay. When that happens, we will automatically create the customer in our system. So you'll see here the customer gets created automatically with all of the information and all that kind of good stuff. And we will create the subscription. We will configure the subscription, create any purchases, and we will auto activate the customer and auto collect the money. So all of this stuff happens automatically. And then, of course, here's one that's from before. So we will then recur billing. So every time we recur billing, we will send invoices across to their instance. And they can see things in here too with our plugin. We have a number of things that power our Salesforce integration that lets people see the billing. Like this is an invoice, for example. So all of this becomes available directly from within their application. Or like, let's say that they wanted to edit the customer in some way, like the billing for the customer. They could hit edit customer. They could change the addresses. They could fluctuate like which sales rep it's for, or whatever sorts of things they might want to do. Or even cooler, like typically Salesforce doesn't have a PCI compliant payment method form, but they do when they use their Staxbill. So they can go in here and they can add payment methods quickly and easily to the customer directly from in here. So there's a lot of cool functionality as well introduced here in our Salesforce. But the primary purpose is to facilitate signups.